Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about this micellar water by Bioderma. It is called Sebium H2O Purifying Cleansing Micelle Solution. It is specially meant for combination to sensitive, oily, acne-prone skin. It recently launched in India and I saw it on Nykaa. I knew from that very moment that I had to get it because my skin is constantly breaking out from past 1 month, and finding something to clean makeup during the breakout is really difficult, so I wanted to give it a try. Price wise, it's a little expensive in comparison to most of the drugstores micellar water, as you get 100 ml of product for 750 rupees and 250 ml for 1350, which obviously is a better deal. Its packaging is super simple. It comes in a hard plastic bottle with a sealed cap. The seal can be easily removed to open the cap, and all the ingredients of the formula is mentioned on the back of the bottle. So I'm going to start off by taking a few drops of it on a cotton pad, and then I'm going to place it on the top of my lid and will wait for a few seconds for it to break down the eye makeup, including the waterproof mascara, and then I will wipe it down slowly. The mascara broke down in few seconds only and took no time to come off, and even the concealer underneath my eye was cleaning smoothly. After removing the makeup from my left eye, I repeated the same process on the right eye. I really liked how easily its formula breaks the makeup without tugging the skin multiple times, especially when it comes to removing the base makeup. It cleans down the skin almost without leaving any remnant of the foundation on the skin. Similarly, for my lips, I took a cotton pad soaked in the product and placed it on my lips, and then waited for 3-4 seconds and then wiped it off. It cleaned 50% of the pigmentation right there in just one wipe. Usually the lipstick I was wearing here leaves a stain behind, and this is actually first product that has individually removed it completely. So I will highly recommend this product if you're looking for a good micellar water or have similar skin conditions to mine. My skin instantly felt hydrated, clean and fresh after using this. I just wish it did not had any fragrance, as it is meant for acne prone skin, and scent is something that I personally don't like in my skincare products. But otherwise I loved its formula. I would highly recommend this. So that was it for today's video. I hope you found this helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and we will meet soon in my next video.